So a lot of guys are going to tell you that you need to do this, or you need to do that, or you need this camera, or you need this lens to grow on YouTube. But that's not really necessarily true. Every channel grows in their own way, but essentially it boils down to 3 things. So I'm going to explain how to increase your subscribers in a minute. So the first thing you need to do is to just identify something people are searching for. It's that simple. If you're an Android reviewer, go onto Android news sites. If you're a vlogger, determine what's trending. You've then got to make the highest quality video that you possibly can. The higher the quality, the higher the conversion rate between viewers and subscribers. The best way to do that is to look at the YouTubers who are the best in their field and see what people like about them. And finally, you just need to optimize your content. I use 2 sites mainly, Ubersuggest and Google's Keyword Planner, because to be honest they can really help you find out which tags are being searched for. Design a custom thumbnail. What I tend to do is to take a screenshot of a point in my video, adjust the contrast and the colours, and then add some text. Also be sure to fill the first 3 lines of your video description with keywords. And guys, that's it. Just keep at it. Some videos will get more views than others, but as long as you keep doing that, your growth will accelerate. There's nothing more and nothing less to it. Thanks a lot for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to slap that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. I'm Mr. Who's the Boss, and this is Insanely Cool Tech.